Good day, everyone. I am Irene Irader, the leader of the group, and today we're going to present two different types of dance, which is the cultural dance and also the aerobic dance. Hope you enjoy and learn to our video. The first kind of dance that we are going to show is the Alitap-Tap dance. It is one of the cultural dance of the Philippines. It is originated from the province of Batangas. This folk dance is native to the Tagalog. The term Alitap-Tap refers to the insect which flies only at night and look like it is a carrying lamp. It will be presented by Irene Irader, Joanna Marie Urquijo, Joseph Jacob, Rona Yepes, Jomar Catilogo, Julius Gantalao, Yasmin Dutamanong, Maribelo Senesio, Rachel Samaniego, and Jessa Joy Barangan. So, as what you can see to the video that we presented, dinemonstrate po muna namin yung different step of alitap-tap dance. And afterwards, we dance it all together. And like what I said a while ago, alitap-tap dance is originated from the province of Batangas. And the term alitap-tap refers to the fireflies, which is kind of insect. And alitap-tap dance is one of the cultural dance of the Philippines, and it is really important because this is the way to tell other people on what are the things that they need to know about our culture. It is also the way that other people could have respect, knowledge, and give importance to our tradition and norms. And we choose cultural dance because we wanted to tell to all of you that cultural dance has a big role to our Philippine history. The second video that we are going to present is aerobic dance. Aerobic dance is a particular type of workout style performed in a group exercise setting. Each participant does aerobic dance for personal reasons such as to improve health, lose weight, tone muscles, and improve the quality of their meaningful life. It will be presented by Jasmine Dutamanong, Maribelo Senesio, Rona Yepes, and the tutorial will be danced by Rachel Samaniego.
Yo, cuatro. Pagi, cuerpo, La paquilaya, el cuerpo mueve. Dale ya mira, paquilaya, tú baila suave. Así, cuatro. Pagi, cuerpo, Move your hips, move your hips. Manda ya mira, paquilaya, el cuerpo mueve. Dale ya mira, paquilaya, tú 4. Move el cadera. Move.
So, pinili po namin ang aerobic dance because it has a lot of benefits to our entire body and it has a lot of benefits to our physical fitness and also to our mental health. And one of those, it increases the artery health because aerobic dancing helps to keep the arteries clear and blood vessels healthy. And the second one is it reduces stress and anxiety. Another benefit of aerobic dancing is that it reduces stress and uplift your mood. And the last one is it strengthens your tone muscle because this dance can strengthen your body and tone of your muscles. So, pinili po namin ito because nakaka-enjoy po siya sayawin and hindi mo po namamalayan na habang nag-e-enjoy ka po sayawin ng aerobic dancing is marami rin po siyang benepisyo sa iyong pangangatawan or sa iyong physical health. Thank you for watching. Hope nag-enjoy po kayo at may natutunan po kayo kahit konti sa aming video presentation. Again, this video is presented by Irene Irader, Joanna Marie Orquijo, Joseph Jacob, Rona Yepes, Jomer Catilogo, Julius Gantalao, Yasmin Dutamanong, Maribel Sinesio, Rachel Samaniego, and Jessa Joy Barangan. We are Group 9. Thank you for watching!